Hey guys, in today's video of FlexiSTARTER, we're going to be looking at creating unique shapes using the snap to point feature. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. Guys, will notice we make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, back in the program here. Now, just a quick reminder, this is a mini series on working with shapes. We've already covered the basic shapes that comes with the program, and now we're going to be looking at how to create a few unique shapes using the snap to point. So now I will also leave relevant links in the description so you guys can actually follow along. Now, when it comes to this feature, first thing we want to do is make sure snapping is enabled. So in order to do that, we want to go here to View from our main menu, and then we navigate till we see snap, and then under here you can see we've got snap to point and a few different other options. You can always play around with these also to see the outcome, but in general I found this one works quite nice, especially if you want to create something like a triangle or so forth, and make sure it is accurate. Now what you can also do is go to the bottom where it says snap toolbar. I like to do this. You click that, then it will bring you up a little toolbar. Now we can actually dock this to our top menu here. Now we can easily just hover here and see what is it offer, what it snap to. So I'm going to click the snap to point, and then what normally helps is the object you want to snap it to change the color of it. So I'm going to make it maybe a bit of a light gray or like a medium gray, it's fine. And then so we've got this. Now if you have this object selected, you can see these points, these control points. Now when you're creating shapes or editing, it will snap it to these points. Like I mentioned, you've got a few different snapping options. You can also combine them for different results. So now let's say we want to make a little triangle here. Then what we can do is you want to go to your path tool, which is shortcut for that's P. Select that, and then I already have red selected as my full default, and now I'm just going to click on these points. So I'm going to click that point, middle point, bottom point, and then click there again to close the path. And now as you guys can see, that made a nice little triangle for us and it's very accurate. Now let me just show you. So if I had to now go take the same tool and click off the point, so you can see I'm quite far off, it still snaps it to that point. So you can be quite loose with your general shape and it will be quite accurate. And then another thing to keep in mind, you can obviously combine different shapes in that with the same method to have more flexibility over what you can do. So you can obviously create quite interesting shapes. What I'll do here, I'll just put my snapping off again, and then make a little star there. So now obviously you can imagine, just be creative, and then like I say, if you change your base shape or add more shapes to each other, then you have more control points. So that is one way we can do this. There's another way we can do it by going with guides and so forth, and also grid, which I will show in some future videos or maybe the next video or so. Otherwise, that is it on creating unique shapes using the snap to point feature. Otherwise, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and also you can isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find what you're looking for, you always go here, request a training video, and we will make that video for you. Otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.